Golf 4 November Kilo Lima. Is that correct? Go ahead.
Yes, that's correct. Golf 4 November Kilo Lima. Not that strong here, but I guess I'm not that strong to you either. From G4NKL.
G4NKL, Mike 0, Oscar X-Ray Fox returning. No, you're not bad with me. You're about 5 and 9, so I'm copying you, no problem at all. Back to you.
Yes, the noise here is 5 and 9, and you're just about above the noise. So you're 5 and 9 plus about S9 and noise. Thank you, child. Name ascend is Mel, Mexico Echo Lima, and I'm in Ross on Y in Herefordshire. So back to you, M0 Oscar Echo Fox G4NKL.
G4NKL, M0 OXF returning. Yeah, thanks, Mel. All copied. Your QTH Ross on Y. Thanks for the 5.9 plus. You're also 5.9 plus with me now, actually. You're just under peaking plus 10. I know Ross on Y fairly well. I've driven through it a few times, and I think there's an outlet store there that we used to stop and when I used to go and visit my grandmother who lived in Raglan, so in South Wales. So I used to come by Ross on Y quite a lot. What a small world it is. Back to you. Oh, by the way, the name's Clint. Charlie Lima, India, November Tango, QTH West Oxfordshire. Back to you, Mel. G4NKL from Mike 0, Oscar X-Ray Fox. Yeah, the name is Clint. Charlie, Lima, India, November, Tango. QSL?
Okay. Charlie, Lima, India, Mexico.
Negative. Charlie, Lima, India, November, Tango. QSL? Charlie, Lima, India, November, Tango. QSL?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, just the noise here. You're just saying I got the noise here. I got high voltage lines around here. The pylons down by the valley, etc. So okay there, Clint. So okay about knowing the area and Raglan. Yes, Raglan Castle, of course. I used to pass that, fair few times on my way down to Pembrokeshire. We used to go a lot down that way. So yes, Raglan Castle. And also in the old days, it was a bus stop. It was a bus stop for us before we had a car. Anyway, there, Clint. This end running a 100 watts this end into a doublet antenna. So pop it back to you there, Clint, to see what you're running there from G4NKL.
G4NKL, M0 OXF returning. Thanks, Mel. Yeah, all copied. Yeah, I'm actually using a different setup today. I'm using an FT-991A, Yaesu Foxtrot Tango 991A. But I'm running a BLA350 amplifier. I'm sort of peaking about 200, maybe just over 200 watts. So I don't use the amplifier very often, actually, but for some reason this morning I felt inclined to use it. So probably just over 200. Thanks very much, Mel, for the QSO. Very interesting, and what a small world it is. I wish you a good weekend. All the best, and look forward maybe to catching you again a bit further down the line. So all the best, Mel. 7-3.
Yes, okay there, Clint. Yes, so we vary. I got quite a bit of kit here, but I tend to stick to this Mark 5 field. So it's a sort of habit. But anyway, all the best, and have a good day, Clint, from G4NKL.
G4NKL, M0 OXF returning for final. Yeah, thanks very much, Mel. Yeah, I'm a creature of habit as well. I normally use a Kenwood, but every now and then I have a little play around with another bit of kit. Thanks, Mel. All the best. 7-3.
Yeah, cheers. Bye.
This is Mike 0, Oscar X-Ray Fox, Mexico 0, Ocean X-Ray Florida, calling CQ on 40 meters. CQ. Mike 0, Oscar X-Ray Fox, Mexico 0, Ocean X-Ray Florida, calling CQ on 40. QRZ. CQ40, Mike 0, Oscar X-Ray Fox, Mexico 0, Ocean X-Ray Florida. CQ40, Mike 0, Oscar X-Ray Fox, calling CQ on 40 meters. QRZ. CQ40, Mike 0, Oscar X-Ray Fox, Mexico 0, Ocean X-Ray Florida, calling CQ on 40 meters. QRZ. CQ40, Mike 0, Oscar X-Ray Fox, Mexico 0, Ocean X-Ray Florida, calling CQ on 40 meters. QRZ. Papa Golf 6 Juliet Charlie stroke Jamboree. This is Mike 0 Oscar X-Ray Fox. Good afternoon to you. Thank you for coming back to my call. You're a strong signal here. I'll give you a report on your next over. The name is Clint Charlie Lima India November Tango. My QTH is West Oxfordshire in the UK. Back to you. PG6JC stroke Jamboree from Mike 0 Oscar X-Ray Fox. Papa Golf 6 Juliet Charlie Jamboree, Mike 0 Oscar X-Ray Fox returning. Yeah, all copied, Nico. Thank you for the 5-9 plus. You're 5 and 9 plus 5 with me. 5 and 9 plus 5. The name is Clint Charlie Lima India November Tango. Charlie Lima India November Tango. Back to you. PG6JC stroke Jamboree from M0 OXF. Papa Golf 6 Juliet Charlie stroke Jamboree, Mexico 0 Ocean X-Ray Florida. Yeah, thanks Nico, all copied. Well, very good luck and my best wishes for the Jamboree. I hope enjoy the weekend, enjoy using the radio, and I'll look out for you for other Jamboree signals over the weekend myself. Thanks Nico, all the best. Good weekend. 7-3. Yeah, all the best, Nico. 7-3. Ciao, ciao. CQ40, Mike 0, Oscar X-Ray Fox, Mexico 0, Ocean X-Ray Florida. CQ40, Mike 0, Oscar X-Ray Fox, Ocean X-Ray Florida, Mike 0, Oscar X-Ray Fox.